The state health department says more than half of Oklahoma's population is fully vaccinated, calling it a milestone in the fight against COVID-19. Thank you for joining us. I'm Chin Doan. Health experts say eventually, like the common cold, COVID-19 case surges should be more seasonal, increasing during the winter and decreasing during the summer. News on 6's Ashlyn Brothers joins us with the outlook for our state. Ashlyn?
Chin, health officials say that an endemic would mean COVID continues to exist, just not at a level that poses an ongoing threat to our healthcare system. Now, they say that we're on the right track, but we're not quite there yet. Oklahomans are ready to have a conversation without saying that 5-letter word. And while COVID-19 is still a problem, the Tulsa Health Department says we can't forget how far we've come.
It's just incredible to see how much has changed and improved in our processes.
Epidemiologist Madison Thomas still remembers December of 2020.
Seeing the first person come through and get their vaccine, I think all of us were extremely emotional.
In January of 2021, Oklahoma experienced its largest surge in COVID cases and a peak in hospitalizations. The vaccine was only being given to those 65 and older at mass vaccination sites and drive-through clinics. In March, folks were feeling hopeful as the CDC had dropped its mask recommendation for those fully vaccinated. By June, THD had reported its lowest weekly case number increase.
We were feeling really good. And unfortunately, the Delta variant was introduced.
In November of 2021, cases were down and 5 to 12-year-olds got the green light to get the vaccine.
Really helps keep kids in school.
Thomas says the spread of COVID opens doors for new variants to develop that could be more transmissible and more severe.
Whenever you're trying to prevent something like this, right, it takes everyone.
Keith Reed with the Oklahoma State Department of Health says Omicron is more contagious than Delta, with more breakthrough cases but milder symptoms. He says an endemic might be in sight.
5 million doses later, here we are. We have about 2.1 million Oklahomans that are fully vaccinated.
Reed says that while COVID continues to dominate the healthcare discussion, it's important to make sure that you have all of your other health needs in check, and that includes regular checkups and healthcare screenings. Live in Tulsa, Ashlyn Brothers, Oklahoma's Own, News on 6.